Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a custom URL and also formatting that URL on the matrix table. Here we have a matrix table on this page. Here we see on the product ID, every product ID is underlined. So when we are hovering on it, so we see a custom URL on it. So when we click on it, it is going to take us to its Amazon page as it is an ASIN number. So ASIN number is Amazon Service Identification Number here. So it is going to take that particular product page. I'm just going to click on another product ID. When I click on every product ID, it is taking me to the particular page of that product. And if you see here, instead of having a URL, so we are just having a hyperlink symbol here. When we are clicking on that hyperlink symbol, so it is going to take us to the same product again. So I'll show you how to create this in Power BI now. So if you see on my data, we do not have any URL currently. I'm going to create that custom URL with the help of conditional column in Power Query, or else we can also do that with the help of creating a column. I will show you both the ways. On Power Query Editor, I'm going to create a custom column. So I'm naming it as product link. Here I will be using Text.Combine. So as I'm just combining, so as I'm concatenating link with the product ID, Text.Combine. So I need to pass those values as a list. So here I will be passing that link. I'm going to copy this link and I will be passing that link on here, comma. So the column which we are going to concatenate, the column we are concatenating on product ID, and close this, comma. So we are passing separator as null and just close this. So now if you see, we got a custom URL and I'm just changing the data type to have it on text. I changed the data type to text, just I'm loading the data now. So this is one way of creating a link, and the other way of creating link is creating a column with the help of concatenating function. So let's say product link. I'm just naming it as product link 1 equal to, I'm just going to use concatenate. I'm passing the URL here and concatenating with product ID. Now if you see, both of them are same. The data type of this is also text. Now let's create a visual, matrix visual. I'm just going to use product ID. I'm going to pass both the links. If you see, we got the links here. Both of them are coming as text. Even if you are clicking on this, it is not redirecting to the URL page, product web page. So we have to format this as a web URL. So on the data category, so from uncategorized to web URL, change it from uncategorized to web URL. So now if you see, this is coming as a URL here. Do the same for product link, so which we created with the help of Power Query. So now if you see, both are coming as links. Now what I'll do is, so if you want to have on the product ID, so which is on the column, so we need to format it conditionally. So for that, I'm going to conditional formatting on the product ID. I'm enabling this web URL. Now I'm going to select a column, so which is of type web URL. I'm selecting here, we have both product link and product link one. I'm selecting here product link. So now if you see, we have an underline. So whenever we are hovering on it, we are able to get that link as well. When we click on this, it takes us to a page. So as we see on the product page. Now let's format the links as well. So on the values, if you want to have an hyperlink kind of thing, on the values, enable this URL icon option. So if you see, both the links, whatever we have coming as URL icons, I mean hyperlink icons, now we can see that URL link symbol currently. So as we formatted. So this is how we can create a custom URL, either by concatenating with the help of concatenate function, or else we can create on Power Query by using Text.Combine function. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.